In this digital cloud economy, more and more customers are looking a lot more from the products and services they buy. So as an example, instead of buying a product, the expectation is I want to pay for the service I'm getting as opposed to buying that product. On the flip side, the customers are saying, hey, instead of selling this product, can I pay for or can I charge for the services that they provide? That's the concept of subscription economy, where you're providing a service and the customer is paying for as they consume that service. So those models are becoming a lot more tangible. There are multiple things that the customer is challenged with. Number one is it's an organizational change. For example, in the high-tech sector, products, servers, etc. are now available on the cloud. When you move to the subscription model, you're supposed to charge based on per usage billing, as an example, right? So that requires you to have capability to capture that information and to be able to charge the customer based on consumption of that product. On the other side, it's also complicated and complex for the customer to change its organization. Salespeople may be used to selling products versus a service. When there is a problem with that product and the customer calls the customer service, that customer service needs to know that it's actually a product that's owned by the company, not by the end customer. So how do you handle that differently? SAP BRIM has been a pretty hot product in the marketplace, helping customers in a couple of different ways. One is in the subscription economy, billing becomes, and the usage-based billing becomes a lot more complex. Pricing might be fluctuating based on time of the day, based on the demand that's happening in real time, and various other criteria. So how do you capture that information? This platform helps you with that. Number two, as people are doing a business transformation, more and more companies are looking at how do I change my business model? Maybe today I have only 5% of my revenue flowing through subscription, rest is traditional, but most of these companies are saying, hey, in the next 3 years, I want to take that 5% to 30%, 50% based on the industry they are in. This platform helps you kind of scale up and evolve and help you with that business model change. So when we look at some of these solutions, the whole intent is not just make it easy for our customers or the enterprises to provide services, but improve the customer experience itself. I think we consider ourselves as one of the leaders. We have worked with really large organizations, helping them to transform the business process, the business model, and then finally leveraging SAP BRIM to execute that platform. We have pre-configured solutions available that provide some of those specific industry scenarios, whether you are in the high-tech space, in the CPG space, life sciences, automotive, we bring some of those capabilities to bear.